student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying our study. So student, today we will discuss about 8th chapter from English grammar book, adjectives. So student, you have remembered that you have already learned in the 3rd chapter part of speech, adjective. Adjective is the 4th part of speech from the 8th part of speech of English grammar. So student, let's revise it. What is adjective? Adjective is the describing words. So adjective are describing words that tell us more about persons, animal, places and things. So adjective is a word that describe a noun or a pronoun. So student, Rohini has a beautiful dress. So adjective as a describe as a noun or a pronoun. So dress is a noun. So beautiful describe about the Rohini's dress. How is Rohini's dress? Rohini's dress is beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective here. So students, second example, the man is old. So the old word is described about the man. So the old is an adjective here. So student, usually an adjective used before a noun, they describe them. So here the beautiful, so adjective is put up before the noun, but sometime adjective comes after the noun. In second example, the man is old. So the man is a noun, adjective comes after the noun. So some usually adjectives come before the noun, but sometimes they come after a noun also. Different types of adjective. First is adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. First is quality. Second is quantity. Third is adjective of number. Fourth is demonstrative adjective. Fifth is interrogative adjective. And sixth is possessive adjective. So we will more discuss about the sixth type of adjective. Adjective of quality. Words that describe quality of a noun or a pronoun. So focus on the quality that describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Let's see some example. First is I have nice teddy. So what kind of teddy? Nice teddy. So let's see. This is the answer of the question. What kind? This type of adjective is answer of the question. What kind of? So what kind of teddy? Teddy is nice. So nice, it is an adjective. So it is the quality of teddy. Can you think more quality of a teddy? So the teddy is black. So black is an adjective. This teddy is awesome. So awesome. So awesome is an adjective. This teddy is cute. So cute is an adjective. This is the quality of teddy. Nice, black, awesome, cute. So it is the adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. The words that describe quantity of a noun or a pronoun. That describe the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Example, I have enough money. So how much money I have? I have enough money. So enough is an adjective. So student, we can say also that I have some money, I have little amount of money, I have more money. So these all are the adjective of quantity. More, little, some. They shows the quantity of a noun or a pronoun, but it cannot show the exact amount of the noun or a pronoun. So it usually the answer of the question how much. Adjective of number. These words that describe exact number of noun. That describe exact number of noun. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. So 4 is exact number of the apple Shivani has. So 4 is adjective here. They generally the question of the answer how many. So how many apples Shivani has? Shivani has 4 apples. If Shivani has 1 apple, we write Shivani has an apple. If Shivani has 10, 4, 5, 3 and all. So student, adjectives like second, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth are also adjective of number, but they are called ordinal adjective. So student, some adjectives are maybe in adjective of quantity, maybe adjective of number also, but depending on their use. First example, I have enough work for the day. So how much work? Enough work. So it is the answer of the question how much. So it is adjective of quantity. In second example, I have read enough stories over the weekend. So how many stories? Enough shows in this sentence, enough shows that how many stories. So it is the answer of the question how many. So here enough is a adjective of number. Is demonstrative adjective. So these words that point out a person, animal or thing. So these words that point out a person, animal, thing. So for example, this book is mine. So which book? This book. So I am pointing a book here. So this is an adjective. So it is answer the question which one. For example, that is a mango tree. So which mango tree? That mango tree. So that is also a demonstrative. So there are many demonstrative adjectives: that, these, those, also. Next is interrogative adjective. So WH words are used with noun to ask question. So interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks a question. So it usually the answer of the question of WH words. What do you mean by WH word? WH word is which, what, whom, why, whose, who and all. So which book is your? So which is here to ask the question. So it is an interrogative adjective. What animal is that? So what is used to ask the question. So it is an interrogative adjective. So these both are WH words. So these all are interrogative adjective. As adjective. So it is an adjective that shows possession or belonging. It shows the ownership. Example, his, her, are, their, etc. So it is the answer of the question whose. So Ram left his bat at home. So whose bat? His bat. His is here possessive adjective. Another example, my book is laying on the table. So whose book is this? My book. So my is a possessive adjective here. Student, let's see the quick revision of this chapter. First is what is an adjective. So an adjective is describing words which describe a noun or a pronoun. So how many types of adjectives? There are 6 types of adjectives. First is adjective of quality that tell about the kind of noun. They usually the answer of the question what kind of. Second is adjective of quantity. They tell about the quantity of noun. They usually the answer of the question how much. adjective of number that tells about the number of noun. They usually the answer of the question how many. Demonstrative adjective. They point out the nouns. They usually the answer of the question which one. The fifth is interrogative adjective. They usually ask the question. They usually the answer of the question WH words. Who, whom, whose, why, which, where and all. So sixth is possessive adjective. They show the possession. They show the ownership. They usually the answer of the question whose. Student, I hope you understood this chapter perfectly. Do homework on time. Thank you.